Good. This is our spelling practice. It is like testing the student's memory. Are you ready for the next number? Okay, number 2 now. Small tree. 1, 2, 3, go. Hurry, go. Hurry. You can. Okay, no problem if you make mistake. Just do it. Okay, very good. Hurry. It's correct. Oh, no, here. You can, come on. Well, it's correct. Please tick, it's correct. Correct, it's correct. Yeah, good. Yes. Next, number 3. Are you ready? Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Yes, good. Let me. Okay, it's correct. Tick. Nice. Number 4. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Yes, it's correct. Please tick. It's correct. Tick. Good. Are you ready for number 5? 1, 2, 3, go. Let me clean. Yes, it's correct. Please tick. Give me 5. Good. Please tick. Come on, tick. Oh, the last number. Alright. You will be the champion. Climbing frame. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. I hope that you are correct. Hurry, hurry. Go on. Okay, come on. Okay. I know it's hard. Okay, no problem. Go on. Okay. Climbing frame. 5. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, it's wrong. Okay, so please cross. Good. Now, please look at this once again. Okay, climbing. Okay, climbing like this. Okay, climbing, climbing frame. Now, please look at this once again. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, erase, clean.
No.
Okay, hurry. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, this is wrong. Okay, yeah, look at this. Climbing. A frame. Yeah, no problem. Okay, 99%. So are you ready? Please clean. Okay, go. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah, give me 5. It's correct. It's correct. Please tick. It's correct. Tick, tick. Okay, tick. Very nice. Okay, good. Wow. Are you happy?
Maybe.
Good. Now, give me 5, please.
I finished.
Yeah, get down. Get down.